Hi, I have this today, a PureGear LGG5 glass protector by PureGear. You got the max clarity there, scratch resistance, lifetime warranty guarantee. But I guess this is all products on providing. You might probably just get like a 1 year warranty on it. Okay. What's inside? Perfect alignment tray, screen protector, cleaning kit. Okay. Let's have a look. Open this way, I guess. Okay, what do we have? Oh, we actually have the actual screen kit. This is similar with the roll-on kit. Okay. This doesn't provide you with the alcohol wipes. Hang on. Oh, it does. Sorry. Yeah, it does. There you go. Okay, I have this GG5 here. Okay. So this is the phone. So I guess see that after cleaning the phone with the enclosed cleaning kit, so we just have to do cleaning the phone first. Okay. Okay, dust removal. Probably we apply the alcohol wipes first to the phone. The old phone, the old screen doesn't do that. The top parts there. I'm guessing this one may be doing the same thing. There's some part that need to be extra cleaning. Okay. Especially the edges part. I guess they have dust build up. Okay, now you apply the fiber cloth. Okay. Try to do more through. I have no idea how to say it. Sorry. Okay. Left tap 1. Tap 1. Left tap 1. Okay, and then peel off the. After this one, you peel off. I gotta read it. I gotta read this one. Peel off the film. Tap 2. Pull tap over the phone. Align to identification on tray. Secure glass by rubbing film from top to bottom. Slowly peel back protective film. Tap. Okay. Guess you peel out this part here, and then slightly wrong there because oh man, I forgot to use this dust removal. Okay, I guess that's pretty much it. Yeah, just that there's some minor bubbles there, but I guess it's alright. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, the screen here doesn't do it at the top and the bottom here, so keep in mind. And you're just gonna put it back here in the case. Okay, thank you. Yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.